This is a 2001 Dodge Ram 2500. All of the following features are included: automatic locking wheel hubs, a chrome grille, 12-volt power outlets, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, door reinforcement beams, and power steering. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.